Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today is package day. That's right folks, package day. And today's package comes in to us from Lebel. Let's go ahead and dig in and see what we got, shall we? Oh boy. Nice. Let's see what we have here. The letter, I'm going to read it off to the side here. Haha. Cool. All right, see what we got here. We have we've got a couple of challenge locks, it looks like right there. Recording. Got a little knife. Nice. What else we got? This is from Leon's lock pad called Easy Now. Nice. Ooh, what is this? This is by number 10, Southern Pride Crank. Huh. Nice, okay. Got Sleeper here by Pick a Winner. Nice. And this, Jerome Bodner. I had this one before. Picked it already. Thank you though. Appreciate that. And there's one from Big Al. Let's see what we got here. It looks like Suffer Unto Me by Lebel. Nice. Awesome, man. All this stuff here came in from Lebel today. That's so awesome. Thank you so much, my friend. Again, this is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. So I also want to drop this in and just let you guys know, I just picked this up from 3D Locksport. This thing is massive, y'all. I mean, this thing holds so many of my tools that I need here. You got pockets on the sides, pockets in the back here, pockets on the sides here. This little thing on the front, and it has like 36 openings here. I mean, plenty of enough to store anything that you might need. It is absolutely crazy, and I am super stoked on this. So this is from 3D Locksport. So thank you so much for watching, y'all.